Today we're going to support your tomato, organize your shed, and we're going to teach you how to grow things in small spaces on decks, patios, and anywhere around your house. So you don't want to miss any of it. Come join me. When you're planting a young new tree, sometimes they need a little support, especially in a windy area. VELCRO brand garden ties are a great thing to use to support your tree and tie it to a sturdy stake. Take a 2-inch wide VELCRO brand garden tie, wrap it around the tree about halfway up or so, and attach it to itself. It's really that simple. You want to cut your VELCRO brand garden tie to proper length, and then just leave it there for the first year. It's easy to use, it's reusable, it's durable, it's easy on the tree, and there's no knots and no tying. VELCRO brand garden ties are a great way to support your tree. If you're growing climbing vines such as wisteria and clematis, they need support, especially if they're growing up a trellis. VELCRO brand garden ties are a great way to support them because they're durable, they're strong, it adheres to itself, and you don't have any knots or anything like that to really have to deal with. Simply take it, wrap it around the stem and the trellis, and then cut it to the proper size and length. VELCRO brand garden ties help you keep your vines supported so the flowers are up really high so you can enjoy them. Grapes are a great fruit to grow in a small space. You don't need a lot of room to have grapevines growing in your backyard. You can grow them on a trellis like this, whether they be table grapes or even wine grapes. But if you're growing them on a wire, you're going to need some support. That's where you're going to use your VELCRO brand garden ties. Simply take one of the vines, wrap it with a garden tie, and just cut it to length with your scissors. And that VELCRO brand garden tie will hold that vine in place for a number of years. It adheres to itself so that you don't have any problems with it slipping, and it'll be durable and long-lasting. If you're growing perennial flowers in your garden like this Rudbeckia, Baptisia, Delphiniums, or Liliums, you're going to want to support the plant so they don't flop over in a windstorm. You take a stake, put it down close to the plant, then you can take VELCRO brand garden ties and wrap the stake and the plant together. The VELCRO brand garden ties are great to use because they're durable, they are adjustable, and they blend right in with the foliage of the plant, so you'll never even notice that they're there. Using these VELCRO brand garden ties is a great way to keep your plants standing up tall. Using VELCRO brand garden products can make you a more successful gardener. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll be seeing you next time in the garden.